My name is Antonio Ramirez. I'm 25 years old and I'm from Mexico, and right now I'm studying here in MJM Graphic Design. I started when I was back in Mexico, in my own country, in the comfort of my son. I chose to do the master in art direction, which is really cool. It's something I really wanted to do since I was a young teenage boy. I started when I was in Mexico, which was very easy because it allowed me to really study what I wanted to do, but also to work and to have my own life. Since I was a kid, like I said, I always wanted to move abroad, to really experience different cultures, to study in another countries very different from me in Mexico. So that's why first I chose MJM Graphic Design, because they have these options where you can study in France, in different cities of France. So I chose Paris for this year. So this is why I'm here right now in Paris filming this for you. And it's very nice because I got to meet my classmates, I got to meet the teachers I had in distance. So the process to come here, it was easy. I had to do the process with the embassy, with the French embassy in Mexico. So it was easy, it was simple because the MGM graphic design team was always there for me. So if I needed a document, if I didn't understand something, I just could reach them and they could answer to me very fast. Also, one of the things why I moved here in Paris and why it has been very easy for me is because I got the opportunity to have a work-study program, which means that you can study at the same time you work and gain the experience in your professional life. Everything I see in school, I get to practice and I get to do it in the company I'm working with. One thing I really like about MGM Graphic Design is the whole team, the teachers. They're really professionals, though it's just not someone talking about theory in general. It's not boring, the classes are not boring because we get to see the real professionals in your area. You're never gonna feel like you're alone here in this country, in this different culture, because there are always people who's gonna be there for you and be your friends and go out. It has a lot of things to do. So if you like art, if you're very creative, if you, I don't know, like filming, I think this city is the best option, or France in general, you know? So I really recommend.